you survive this 5 minutes?
Post-exercise.
Let's start with some light jogging to bring our heart rate slightly up and warming up our body. You can even try to control your breathing, such as 2 steps. Breathe in and then 2 steps again, breathe out. If you want, you can also swing your arms forward and backward as you jog on the spot to loosen up for this workout.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
Now start by placing one foot in front of the other, bending slightly forward and touch the ground. Make sure to keep your core tight as you bend forward. Then as you step side to side, switch arms touching the floor and repeat the skater-like movement.
Seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Now let's get into a push-up position, but take a mini step forward at a 45 degrees angle while maintaining your hand position, and then return back to the original push-up position. Now take another mini step forward at a 45 degrees angle in the other direction.
Seconds left. Next exercise. Halfway there.
Imagine yourself picking up a box from the ground and raising it to place on a shelf above your head. The most important part of this exercise is to lower yourself by squatting down. Do not bend forward. This exercise will also make sure you have the proper form as you pick up heavy objects in your day-to-day life. You can also widen your stance for a more comfortable squat.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Let's do some planks with a twist. Get into a plank position and open your legs wide apart and then hop back into the plank position. Repeat this motion.
Seconds left. Last exercise.
Now to end off this exercise, let's finish with a classic jumping jacks. This is the simplest and easiest exercise as it works your entire body, including your arms, shoulders, core, and all the muscles in your legs. Let's finish off this workout strong.
Seconds left. Workout complete. You have earned my respect.